Smart contract. Smart contract is a technology that Ethereum introduced to the world. Smart contract is a program with logic. So it says if you do X, Y will happen. It secures the work in the realm of crypto where there are less chances of theft, as the result of your action is already fixed and it has to happen by smart contract. For example, let's say you dealt with a freelancer saying that if he completes your website, you are going to pay him 1 Ethereum, and this is written on the smart contract. So once he completes the website, then only your Ethereum from your wallet will be sent to him. And if you turn the view otherwise, where he completes the website and you are not going to pay him, or you thought you will escape the payment, in that case the payment will already be deducted from your wallet. So this is how smart contract makes it secure and safe. This is what was the USP of Ethereum blockchain.